guys, the message to the world around me. I, myself, is a message to this world. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we all are from different countries, cultures, backgrounds, but we all are from one world and we are connected each other as we don't know. But also, if we destroy a part of this earth, the whole earth has its destruction. We shall respect the earth as it carries us. We shall love our earth. People, human beings, are cutting the trees where animals live. So the animals can live in there and they come to this world, this area where we live. And a lot of people are eaten by the animals. And so many families are very sad of their people who is missed. But we shall respect this nature as we live in it. We build things in it. It gives a favorable climate to us as we can grow crops and everything. Once Gandhi said, real communication is what you say or write. It's the life you lead. I am trying to save this world by living a life, as Gandhi said, is the most powerful communication. I want to save this world. I am sure if we stand together as one, we will be strong to win this world. I am sure that we want to live in this world by peace and harmony. Thank you.
Modern English School.